Welcome back to my channel. Literally, the gardener is literally staring at me through the window right now. Awkward. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to bring you my February monthly favorites. I know, just don't even say it, I know. It's March 9th, Michelle. If you were gonna do this at the beginning of the month. But you know what? I don't think there's rules for these things, and I'm gonna do my February monthly favorites in the middle of March. So yeah, deal with it. You know what? Let's just get started. All right guys, so I'm gonna start this whole thing off with obviously beauty favorites. So my first beauty favorite definitely 100% has to be the Dior Forever Tint Haute Perfection. Tint Haute Perfection, if you will. Whatever it's called, this foundation is freaking awesome. Go buy it. It's expensive. It is expensive, guys. This foundation is like $60. $60! But it's worth it. Promise. I promise you it's worth it. This foundation literally makes you look like you have doll skin. It's amazing. Like every time I wear this, I feel like I have no pores. I just look super radiant and youthful. And I don't mean radiant as in shiny, because this kind of is a matte, natural finish kind of foundation, which I'm not used to. I normally like foundations that aren't super matte, and this one's a little bit more matte than my liking, but it makes my skin look so nice that I'm like, dewy skin who? Up next, if you watch any of my other videos, you would know that the last video I put out was a concealer review, and it's for these guys. These are the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Concealer. A super long name. These are amazing, guys. It's medium to full coverage. They're so creamy, so emollient, but they don't crease under your eyes, which I love so much. It covers my dark circles. I have really bad dark circles. I have really bad pigmentation in certain areas, and this covers it right up. I actually have the shade N4 and 3W, 3W for under my eyes, and 4N for around my face. Next, I've been loving this primer so much. This is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This primer makes your skin look so pretty and so glowy. So I love using this primer with this foundation just to give this foundation a little bit more of a glow, since this is kind of a matte foundation. But this stuff I could use with any foundation. It just makes everything look so nice. It really does look like a filter on your face. I'm obsessed with it. I can't believe it's taken me this long to try this baby out. I wouldn't really say it does much for my pores. It just really does leave your skin with a really nice radiant finish. It makes it look nice and dewy, like you have a filter over it. So if you have dry skin, I would really recommend this. I do not have dry skin. I have oily skin. But even so, this really works out. But I can definitely imagine girls with dry skin loving this primer. My next favorite definitely has to be this Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. They finally came out with this in deeper shades. This is actually deep bronzer, although I do think that they could go a little bit darker, because this for me is just the right color, and there are definitely girls that are a lot darker than I am out there who would love to try this bronzer. It smells so good, guys. It smells like coconuts and sunscreen and Tahiti, and I've never been to Tahiti, but I can only imagine that this is what Tahiti smells like, guys. Aside from the smell, what I'm loving about this bronzer is that it's not too orange. It's really hard to find bronzers that aren't too orange or too ashy. This one is a perfect color. It is not matte though, so it doesn't have reflex or it doesn't have glitters or anything like that in it. What it does have is sort of a sheen. So if you have texture, I'm not sure how great this would look. I don't have much texture on the perimeters of my face, so this works out really well for me, but it is very soft, very nice, so I can't imagine it really accentuating it too much. Last but not least of my beauty favorites is the Mary Luminizer by the Balm Cosmetics. I think I am the last person on planet Earth, the last girl who loves highlighter, to try this highlighter, and I don't know why it's taken me this long. Because this highlighter is what dreams are made out of. This is what the tears of princesses and unicorns and just everything good in the world is made out of. This is the most beautiful, reflective, light champagne-y gold highlighter I have ever put on my cheekbones. Okay, maybe not ever. I have a lot of favorite highlighters, which I am thinking actually to do a video soon of me putting every single highlighter I have on my face. And I think that that would be a really funny video, and it could be really interesting to see what the color of that highlight comes out to and if it's good or not. So if you want to see that video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below so I know if you really want to see that. But back to this highlighter, it's pretty amazing, guys. Just, I can't, the swatch does it no justice. The swatch does this no justice. It's so good. You have to try it out for yourself. It is creamy, it's buttery, it's not flaky, it's not glittery, it's just great. So now moving on to other types of favorites. I have a skincare kind of favorite. I'm not sure if I'm 100% set on saying that this is a February favorite just because I got it so late into February and I still need to test it out just a little bit more. But the last 2 times that I have used this product, I've fallen in love with it. It leaves my face feeling super soft and super smooth. This is a peeling solution by The Ordinary. It is an AHA 30% and BHA 2%, and it's a 10-minute exfoliating facial. It makes you look like you are having a vampire facial on your face. It looks like you have blood all over your face, and it tingles just a little bit. The first time I actually used this, it didn't tingle at all, and I had read reviews that said it's supposed to tingle and it kind of feels like your face is burning off, so it freaked me out. But once I put it on my face, I didn't feel any of that. The second time I used it, I shook it up a little bit more. I applied it to my face and I applied just a little bit more product, and I definitely felt a tingle. So for me, that kind of means that it's working. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Those last 2 times that I've used this, it's been really, really good. This is really good if you have fine lines, dark spots, if you have any type of texture. These at-home peeling solutions are really, really great. So skincare still kind of is a beauty type of favorite, but I do have 2 actually completely non-beauty type of favorites, and one is this blue SNOWBALL microphone. I've been using this microphone to record my voiceovers in the last, I think the last 2 videos that I've done, and the sound is just super crisp and super clear. I kind of wish that I could use this on my camera. Hopefully when I get a little bit of a better camera, I can have better sound, but this is amazing. If you guys are ever thinking of doing any voiceovers or maybe starting a podcast, I would highly, highly recommend this microphone. It's really, really good. My last non-beauty favorite is actually a book that I was given for Christmas by my sister. It's a book called Start Where You Are, a journal for self-exploration. This came to me in a time where I was very, very lost. I didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. Or I had an idea, but I just didn't know how to get to that point of what I wanted to do with my life. I had a lot of self-doubt, and this book really helped me figure out those answers, and it just really makes me happy to fill this out. I don't fill it out every day like I should, but it's such a nice book. It's basically like a book where you fill in things. It gives you a really nice, cute quote on one side, and then you fill in your answers on the other side. This one has you drawing something here. The book just fell off the bed. But anyways, so that book, basically what it has you doing is creating lists, listing your favorite things that you've seen in the week or things that you're loving this month, or what makes you happy, places you want to travel, etc. It really is a good guide to finding who you really are inside. And I'm all about self-love, so I really love that book and I really recommend it if you could find it. Ugh, this stuff sucks. And I really mean no offense to these brands, but some of these things I just cannot understand why they even put to market, or I mean, I don't know, maybe it is just me that this isn't working for. But the first thing that is not working for me in the month of February, or was not working for me in the month of February, is the Invisibobble. If you've ever heard of an Invisibobble, I've seen a lot of people using them. I thought, why not try it? It may not leave a dent in my hair. My hair is very fine. It dents super easily. It's easily manipulated. It's just, my hair is really annoying. So I thought maybe if I buy one of these things, you know, basically a keychain to put around my hair, it won't dent it, because that's what it says on the box. It won't dent my hair. Actually, it doesn't say that anymore. It doesn't say that anymore. But everyone kept telling me that it wouldn't dent my hair and it wouldn't split my ends and I wouldn't feel no tugging when I put it on and took it off. Lies. These are lies. Little key ring lies. They're awful. They pull your hair. I can't take them out of my hair. It just gets stuck. It's painful. They're very painful, and it actually still leaves me with a dent. So don't know why I spent $8, $9 on them. It was pointless. Next up, I was sent this product by Iconic London. Now, I love Iconic London's products. I have yet to try a product by Iconic London that I have not liked, except for this. It doesn't even say on the packaging what the name of this mascara is, so I can't even tell you what the name of this mascara is, but I will leave it listed right over here. This mascara is just not good. It's not good. It's literally the most watery mascara I've ever tried in my life. It is not super block. It is very wet feeling, so the moment that you put it on and you blink, it gets everywhere. It's not lengthening, it's not volumizing, I don't even know what the point of it is, to be honest with you. All right, guys, so that is it for this month's Love It and Hate It. If you like this video and you want to keep seeing more of these type of videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below if you're feeling nice. I love filming these kind of videos for you. Monthlies are my favorite to watch, so I hope that you enjoy watching the ones that I create. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. I will be putting out videos every Friday from now on. Hopefully I can up that number up in a few months, but for now, one video a week and it'll be on Friday, so I look forward to seeing you next Friday. Bye.